gonna suicide.
Who's the victim?
I am.
I can't feel shit. I can't feel anything.
Smoking is not good for your health. But you know what? When you smoke, all the voices in your head suddenly disappear, and all you feel is serenity.
I don't know how you can expect anyone else to love you when you so clearly hate yourself.
You just have to show up for once. Yes.
Show up?
Yes.
I fucking showed up for you! I showed up! I was standing there for you!
Oh, for
and
you
look
what?
where I got me!
So this is my fault then?
I showed up for you!
All of this is my fault, bro.
I showed up for you!
It doesn't scare me. Just
I
show
can't!
up. That's
I
it.
can't! I can't! I can't do it! Why do you even want me? Why? I'm such a fuck up!
Interlinked.
What's it like to hold the hand of someone you love? Interlinked.
Interlinked.
Did they teach you how to feel finger to finger? Interlinked.
Interlinked.
Do you long for having your heart interlinked? Interlinked.
Interlinked.
Do you dream about being interlinked?
Interlinked.
But look, the thing about is why.
Tell me, Barry! Tell me!
Hey, Dad. I'm calling from my history class. So, who was president when you were a kid?
Oh, I don't know. I guess I think about killing myself pretty frequently. Why not? What's so great about living? You know when I'm happy? For about 5 seconds in the morning when I first wake up. Before I remember who I am and what my life is all about. Anxiety, disappointment, diarrhea more often than not. I don't know if there's an afterlife. But who cares? Nothingness couldn't be any worse than this meaningless march through my empty days.
You know, ever since we were little, I would get this feeling like I'm floating outside of my body, looking down at myself. And I hate what I see. How I'm acting, the way I sound. And I don't know how to change it.
Dad, I should be dead. I really should be. I mean, she could do things and she could draw and she could make things. And I just do nothing. I can't do anything.
Yes,
no,
you
I
can,
can't.
Peter. Yes, you can.
No, I can't. I'm nothing.